Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The world of compact filmmaking, DJI has been a pioneer, consistently pushing the boundaries of what portable cameras can achieve. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 revolutionized the market, merging cutting-edge technology with an incredibly small form factor. Now the anticipated successor, the DJI Pocket 4, is creating a significant buzz with rumors of substantial upgrades across the board. If the speculations hold, the Pocket 4 could set a new standard for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers alike. This in-depth breakdown explores every rumored enhancement and evaluates whether the DJI Pocket 4 can live up to the hype. Larger, rotating screen for enhanced usability. One of the most exciting upgrades is the larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a notable improvement over the Pocket 3's 1-inch display. Enhanced screen real estate. The increased size not only provides a more spacious interface for framing and reviewing footage but also improves visibility and control. Improved resolution and brightness. With a rumored 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits of brightness, the display ensures clear visibility even in bright outdoor conditions or dim environments. Rotating design. The ability to rotate the screen allows for versatile shooting angles, catering to creative perspectives and on-the-go monitoring. For creators frequently navigating dynamic environments, these changes promise a more intuitive and reliable user experience. Ergonomics and comfort for long shoots. Filming for extended periods can strain both the device and the user. DJI appears to address this with thoughtful ergonomic improvements. Refined grip and texture. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a more comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Optimized button placement. Convenient button positions enhance operational efficiency, making it easier to switch settings or adjust focus while shooting. These subtle but impactful changes aim to make the Pocket 4 a preferred tool for long immersive recording sessions. A larger sensor for cinematic quality. The Pocket 4's rumored 1-inch sensor represents a significant leap in imaging capabilities. Sharper details and dynamic range. A larger sensor enhances image clarity, low light performance, and dynamic range. 20mm f/2.0 lens. This lens works in tandem with the sensor to deliver cinematic visuals with improved light capture, ensuring crisp, vibrant footage. Low light performance. Nighttime shoots and dimly lit scenes benefit immensely from the sensor's ability to minimize noise and enhance detail. This upgrade makes the Pocket 4 a dependable companion for creators aiming for professional-grade visuals, even in challenging conditions. Advanced dynamic range and color science. With HDR recording, 10-bit color depth, and support for DJI's D-Log-M profile, the Pocket 4 takes color science to the next level. 10-bit color depth. Captures over 1 billion colors, enabling smoother gradients and greater accuracy during post-production. D-Log-M. This log profile retains intricate details in both highlights and shadows, offering unparalleled flexibility for color grading. HDR recording. Ideal for high-contrast scenarios, HDR ensures that the footage looks realistic and visually stunning, whether in brightly lit landscapes or dim indoor settings. These features ensure that the Pocket 4 delivers visuals that are both cinematic and true to life. Revolutionary autofocus technology. Autofocus is pivotal for capturing moving subjects, and the Pocket 4's rumored phase detection autofocus combined with advanced eye-tracking technology promises a seamless experience. Fast and accurate focus. PDAF reduces focus hunting, ensuring that subjects remain sharp and clear even in high-motion scenarios. Eye-tracking technology. Particularly valuable for vlogging and portrait-style shots, this feature ensures the subject's eyes remain in focus. Whether filming action scenes or candid moments, these enhancements elevate the Pocket 4's reliability in dynamic environments. AI and computational photography. The Pocket 4 is expected to leverage advancements in AI and computational photography, powered by an upgraded processor. Real-time HDR previews. Creators can view HDR effects in real time, ensuring that their footage aligns with their vision. Intelligent scene recognition. AI-driven adjustments optimize camera settings for various scenarios, simplifying the filmmaking process. Low-light enhancements. AI algorithms reduce noise and enhance clarity in challenging lighting conditions. These AI capabilities streamline shooting and empower creators to produce professional-quality content effortlessly. Active Track 7.0. Smarter subject tracking. DJI's proprietary Active Track technology reaches a new level with Active Track 7.0, offering unprecedented precision and reliability. Enhanced subject tracking. By combining PDAF and eye tracking, Active Track 7.0 ensures smooth focus on moving subjects. Adaptability. The system performs exceptionally well in challenging conditions, such as crowded environments or uneven lighting. For vloggers and action enthusiasts, this feature guarantees consistently smooth and dynamic shots. Next-level stabilization. Stabilization has always been a hallmark of DJI's Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is no exception. Mechanical gimbal stabilization ensures buttery-smooth footage even during handheld or high-motion shoots. Electronic stabilization algorithms further refines the footage, compensating for minor shakes or jitters. Whether filming action sports or everyday vlogs, the Pocket 4 delivers a polished cinematic look. Creative slow-motion capabilities. The Pocket 4 reportedly supports 4K video recording at 240 frames per second, enabling detailed and fluid slow-motion effects. This feature opens creative possibilities for filmmakers looking to add dramatic flair or capture intricate movements with precision. Final thoughts. A game-changer in compact cameras. The DJI Pocket 4 promises to be a significant upgrade, combining portability with advanced features typically reserved for larger cameras. From its larger sensor and improved autofocus to AI-driven enhancements and robust stabilization, the Pocket 4 could become a must-have tool for creators of all levels. For vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers seeking versatility without sacrificing quality, the Pocket 4 stands out as a potential game-changer. Its intuitive design, innovative features, and commitment to cinematic excellence ensure that it will make a lasting impact in the competitive world of compact filmmaking.